What's up, YouTube? You already know who it is, man. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, and I'm back with another video, guys. That's right, you already know I'm back, man. As y'all can see, man, I'm sitting in my living room, guys. I just received this package in the mail, so first thing I thought of was opening with you guys. You feel me? Y'all remember the last video that I made? We had the 2 carbon pieces, and I told you guys that I contacted the seller, and the seller, yeah. But anyway, it's here, guys. So what we're gonna do, man, I'm gonna flip this camera around and we're gonna open it together. And I'm hoping that it match up with the previous carbon pieces that I ordered just as well. You feel me? So yeah, man, let's get to it. All right, y'all. So y'all can see, man, the same type of box. I done already untaped it because I'm gonna have one hand throughout the process of this video, guys. So but besides that, I didn't open it, but I did untape it. So let's open it together. And like I said, guys, for those that watched the video, the last one, you heard me, y'all already seen like a couple of the pieces. Well, it just was 2 pieces. So yeah, this should be the rest of the pieces, man. And as y'all can see, I went with everything red, like the previous pieces. But yeah, y'all can see, and that's just through the bag, but we're gonna get everything open for us, the bags and stuff like that, man. Oh yeah, and as for, man, if y'all can hear a little clear, you know I did order the mic, man. A lot of you guys was telling me, hey, Whip Stop, I barely can hear you. I barely can hear you. Hey, y'all said I done got me a microphone, so I have no excuses now. But if y'all can hear me right now, I need y'all to jump down into the comments and just put a microphone into the comments if you can hear me. But we're gonna keep pulling out the rest of these trim pieces, guys. That's for the AC. But yeah, we're gonna keep pulling them out, man. And like I said, whew, y'all already know. I haven't installed the last red pieces that I have, man. I've been waiting on these. I wanted to do everything at one time so I can really see everything at one time. So y'all know when I do it, man, we gonna do it together. But y'all can see what I got sitting on this table. Bear with me for a second. Let me get right. But yeah, y'all can see what I got, man. And I'm gonna go through some of these pieces, and I will drop the link in the description, guys. But this is what I want to say, man. You know, sometimes I be wanting to gatekeep on you guys because you know I be up in like several different groups and stuff like that, man. And you know, yeah, man, some of y'all, I'm gonna say some of y'all know who y'all are. You feel me? Y'all take my little ideas, y'all take my concepts, and y'all run with it. I mean, I don't have a problem. That's why I put them on the videos. But at least, man, share my videos, shout me out. You know what I'm saying? You know, I started this whole Tahoe Tuesday thing. Now I get on Instagram, I see people talking about Tahoe Tuesday, you know, groups and that, and the third. Man, all I'm asking for is just to shout me out. You know, I just want my recognition that I deserve. You feel me? Now, if y'all just coming on the channel, just saying what y'all can see, and then just, you know, go on about your business and doing what y'all do and taking credit, that's not cool. You feel me? That ain't cool at all. But I appreciate all my day ones. Y'all know who y'all are, man. I appreciate all my day ones. But enough of that, guys. We're gonna go through this here. Starting off, y'all can see we got the radio piece. It's the little trim bezel that'll be around your radio, guys. I'm gonna tell y'all what. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Let me get all of this out the plastic, and I'm gonna cut y'all right back on. Stay tuned. All right, man. So y'all done see I done bust everything up out of the plastics, and now I'm gonna go through it with y'all. As y'all already know, the first video I done made, I had the steering wheel clusters, carbon trim, as well as the steering wheel little pieces. But as y'all see right there, guys, that's for the windows. So we got both window switches. This is for the doors. We have front, back. This is for the AC. That's for the driver in, you know, I would say like the driver, the passenger side. This is for the middle. This is that one piece. Right here. This is where the headlight, you're not. This big one, the radio trim piece. I got this piece for the back. This piece, I don't even know what that is, guys. But this for the DLC, I do know. And this also for the back. Like the entertainment part, the air conditioning part, the AC part. So yeah, guys. This it, man. What I didn't like, if you see this one, it's actually ripped. But I already contacted the seller, and I'm pretty sure they done already sent out this, so I'm pretty sure they won't have no type of problem sending me out a replacement. Uh, so yeah, guys, here you go, man. The full red carbon kit. I will post the link. As y'all can see, man, it's actually a real quality type pieces, guys. So yeah, it's real light type quality. Get in and zoom in a little bit. But yeah, guys. So this is what I was waiting on. This is what I was waiting on, guys. So here we go. Next video, I will be doing the install. But for right now, I need y'all to comment. Make sure that y'all like and subscribe to the channel. And like I said, for us the microphone, guys, y'all jump down. I'm a little stuffy right now. So that's why me personally, I don't want to be on camera. But yeah. But y'all jump down into the comments, man. Y'all let me know. And also they have these in black carbon as well. But like I told y'all, man, I'm gonna really pretty much do, man, I'm everywhere today. But yeah, I'm gonna pretty much do the inside all red. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. Red headliner will be on the way. And yeah, we just gonna keep it going, man. One part at a time. The grind don't stop. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop logging on, signing off, guys. Y'all already know positive lives spray positive vibes. So until the next video, y'all will see that full install. Yeah, man. Make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe. We gone.